coconut a blend it. Alright guys, we're back again with our next video. Welcome to our next video. How you guys doing? You don't know, we're there. Yeah, see the whole settings. We'll start our next YouTube video and we'll have some rice and peas that we'll cook. This is a pressure cooker. We're going to pressure the peas. Yeah, we're going to cook some stew chicken. So you see the chicken. Yeah, and also we're going to juice the pan, yeah? Juice the carrot. Yeah, see the things there, for the seasoning them. Yeah, we have the blender here, so we blend up the things there, and we have the juicer to juice them. So yeah, go stay tuned for the video guys. So Art of Love, welcome everybody. Make sure you subscribe. Alright guys, so welcome back. So you don't know how the meat there, so well seasoned up. Look at that. This is the chicken. Yeah, you know, we well season it up already. We put on all of the little seasoning, then we put on, like how we never show you what we have put on, even though we show you already. We put ginger, garlic, pepper, scallion and thyme, carrot, Irish, and pepper, onion, you know? Yeah, and we put browning and jerk season. So that's it. We mix it all in right now. Yeah. So we're gonna start catching the fire right now. So when we catch the fire, we're gonna show you what's going on. Yeah. So big up on yourself, Art of Love every time. My respect. Yeah. Alright guys, so we're there now. We're done fry the meat then now. So peas will take out the pot now. Meat done fry, so we're throwing the water from the meat now. So then I have the seasoning them. Yes, then I have the seasoning them. So we throw the water in this and throw it on the meat right now. So look how it's going. Throw it on. That go and cook it till I'm mature in the freezer. Yeah. So you know, so we're gonna take out the peas now and we're gonna make it go and come up. Then we'll put on the rice. Blend the coconut and put in the rice with all of the seasoning. Then that's it. So stay tuned. After that. Check the peas and it's never done, so you don't know we have the chicken at the same way I cook down, is it? Yeah. So when I don't know guys, Art of Love. Yeah, and we have the coconut a blend. So you can see the coconut a blend. Yeah, I blend up the coconut and we'll throw it in that. So we're just a mix with blend the coconut that you can start doing things and we'll have the final, so we'll juice it first. So stay tuned guys, you know, this is go nice. Wait till it's done. It's too done. Alright guys, we're there for the see me doing myself. But man, juice, some juice, man, juice, you know. You see the juice, eh? Juice is nice and rich, you see? Yeah, we're juicing right now, we're the juicer. I don't know if you can see. See, eh? Frying and carrying. Alright, guys. So this is the juice. Yeah. So you know, so we're going to strain it off now. Little bit of trash we get now. We're strain it off, put some honey night and some sugar. And you don't know, the juice will mix. So when it mix, we show you how it's going, alright? And the food too done, so the rice there. And chicken. The chicken done. Rice done. Right, juice time. So we're gonna mix the juice now. So prepare for we don't mix the juice. I don't know. Heart of love. My respect. Every time. Alright guys, so see it now. The juice done now. So all we have to do is throw some onion in it and some sugar and everything good. Alright? So see the juice there? Yeah. Ready. And the food ready. So everything ready now. So we're ready. So big up on yourself, Heart of Love. See you when the food done. Alright guys, so Jesus Christ, we don't even know what happened. There and too hungry, we'll start eating the food. Never remember to shot the clip. Everything done still, see there? Yeah, and we have the food there, so we just have finished eating it, is it? See there? So sorry about me never show you how to go on, guys. See the juice there? And we're there on TikTok, you see? Everybody over TikTok, big up myself. Yeah, I tell you. So I think that is it. I'm gonna make some more nice with them. So big up on yourself.
Chester live. That's a river scheme. You know, I think go out nice.
Yeah, man. Is it?
2022. Yeah, come be.
Cool, man.
Stream TV. Stream TV. You know, God bless people from
River Stream TV.
Yeah.
River Stream TV.
Yeah.
You don't know how we say play, man.
River Stream TV, the big TV.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, me. Hey.
Subscribe and click the bell, you know?
Yeah, is it, man?
Right, for the notification.
Yeah, is it?
Yeah, man. No,
Cool,
talk
man.
about it.
Big up,
River
man.
Stream.
Every
Right.
time. Cool, man.
Yeah, man. Right, through like
Nice.
that. River Stream.
Yes,
You know,
sir.
so we have to watch it on TV and the ever clean. Right, through like night, too.
Okay. Alright.
Stream TV, so it's a new TV station.
Yeah.